Hello and welcome everyone to a short video tutorial from me, Alex Johnson, at the American School of Bombay, as we look at the ASB Unplugged mobile app. So let's go ahead and get started. Once you've loaded into the mobile application on your phone, what we're seeing right now is the mobile version of our web app. I want to just show you a few things that are important before you arrive here in Mumbai. First and foremost, I want you to go into the app once you've logged in, click on these three lines at the top, and view your profile down here at the bottom. When you click on your profile, you are able to go in and edit your user profile. We recommend that you provide us with the most up-to-date information, your name, your organization, your designation or job title, which I can go ahead and modify here. You can upload a profile image if you do not have one already or you do not like the one that you have. You can update your bio. You can put your Twitter, social media handles in here as well, and all changes to your profile are auto-saved. If it makes you feel any better, you can click this button, but it is not necessary. Once you've done that, I want to show you a few other interesting features and important aspects of the mobile application. Going back over here, I'd like you to come take a look at the chat option. There are 6 different strands for the conference, and each of them has its own chat room that you can participate in. So maybe you're excited about something that you're going to be talking about at the conference. Maybe you have some questions or some queries. Maybe you just want to share some resources and get people excited. Well, you can click on that. You can go in here and you can share a message with other people in the chat. We hope this is an easy way for you to connect with folks that are interested in the same conference strands that you are. Coming back here, next up is I would like to show you the report a bug feature. As you are using the mobile app, it is a constant work in progress and we are iterating, modifying, adding to this living resource all the way up until and during the conference. So with that being said, if you click on report a bug, you can report an issue. It already pulls your name, your user email, and a timestamp. All you have to do is describe the issue that you're having or even upload a screenshot of the problem. Once you've done that, hitting submit will share that with our team and we will get to squashing those bugs as soon as possible. The final thing I want to share for this update, and there will be more coming soon, is as we're looking at these strands of the conference and you are looking at the different sessions, I'd like to show you how you can favorite the sessions you're interested in and see those on your personal schedule. So looking at the events here, if I click on one of them and I click on favorite, and let me go back here and click on another one and favorite. Now, going over here to my schedule, it's going to show me a calendar view. So first day here is the pre-conference. I didn't favorite any sessions on that day. Going to the next day, you'll see that I favorited this Hands-On Learning Institute. So it's appearing now in my calendar view. And on Saturday, one of the workshops, part of our educator exchanges. So again, just a great way to start looking ahead, planning ahead, thinking about what you want to attend, favoriting those sessions, and having them visible on your personal schedule. And that's it for our update today. Hope you enjoyed and looking forward to sharing more virtually soon and connecting with you all in person just in another week and a half.